Every great fortune in history started with a simple idea. The airplane, the smartphone, the light bulb, the internet. None of these existed until someone imagined them first. Napoleon Hill reminds us, in Chapter 5 of Think and Grow Rich, that imagination is the workshop of the mind. It's where desire takes shape, where faith gets direction, and where ideas transform into plans that create success. Without imagination, desire is just a dream. With imagination, desire becomes destiny. So today, let's explore how you can harness the power of imagination to shape your future. Why every great fortune begins with imagination. In the previous chapters, we learned that desire is the starting point. Faith fuels belief, autosuggestion programs the mind, and specialized knowledge gives us the tools. But here's the missing piece. Imagination is what brings everything together. It's the ability to organize knowledge, belief, and desire into new plans, strategies, and actions. Without imagination, you can have all the knowledge in the world and still go nowhere. This chapter is where Hill reveals how million-dollar ideas are born. Chapter 5. Key Lessons. Lesson 1. The two types of imagination, synthetic and creative. Hill explains that there are two forms of imagination. Synthetic imagination. This is when you take existing ideas, concepts, or knowledge and rearrange them into something new. For example, Henry Ford didn't invent the automobile. He took existing car designs and combined them with the moving assembly line to revolutionize production. Creative imagination. This is when brand new ideas come from your subconscious, often sparked by desire, faith, or inspiration. Think of Thomas Edison inventing the light bulb or Elon Musk imagining reusable rockets. Both types are powerful, but Hill emphasizes that success usually starts with synthetic imagination, taking what already exists and applying it in a fresh way. Lesson 2. Ideas are the starting point of fortunes. Every great fortune begins with an idea. Ideas are intangible, but they're the seeds of tangible results. Carnegie's steel empire, Rockefeller's oil empire, and modern tech giants like Apple or Google all started with someone imagining a possibility others couldn't see yet. The lesson is clear. Wealth flows to those who take ideas seriously and act on them. Lesson 3. How desire fuels the power of imagination. Imagination doesn't operate in a vacuum. It needs to be fueled by strong desire. Without desire, imagination is just daydreaming. With desire, imagination becomes a tool for problem-solving. If you deeply want success, your mind begins searching for ways to achieve it, and imagination becomes the creative workshop that delivers those solutions. Lesson 4. Using imagination to refine and transform your plans. Hill warns against waiting for perfect ideas. Instead, use imagination to continuously refine your plans. Rarely will your first plan succeed, but with imagination, you can adjust, pivot, and innovate until you find what works. Edison failed thousands of times before inventing a working light bulb, but each failure refined his imagination. Lesson 5. How masterminds multiply creative power. Imagination grows when shared. Hill points out that collaborating with others in a mastermind setting multiplies creativity. When multiple minds share ideas, new connections are formed and solutions appear that no single person could imagine alone. This is why successful leaders surround themselves with creative thinkers. Practical ways to use imagination in your life. So how can you put imagination to work in your life? 1. Set aside creative time. Dedicate a few minutes daily to brainstorming ideas related to your definite goal. 2. Use both types of imagination. Ask, how can I combine what already exists? And what brand new solution might my subconscious suggest? 3. Write ideas down. Keep an idea journal. Capture everything, even wild or impractical thoughts. Sometimes the crazy idea sparks the breakthrough. 4. Test and refine. Don't wait for perfection. Take action on your ideas, learn from results, and improve. 5. Join forces. Surround yourself with people who challenge your thinking. A mastermind group can spark imaginative breakthroughs faster than working alone. Here's a quick example. Imagine you want to start an online business. With synthetic imagination, you might study existing e-commerce stores and create a unique spin on them. With creative imagination, you might design an entirely new way for people to shop or subscribe. By blending both, you multiply your chances of success. Imagination, the workshop where desire becomes reality. To wrap up, imagination is the workshop of the mind. It's where desire takes form, where ideas are born, and where plans are refined. Synthetic imagination helps you combine what already exists into something new, while creative imagination connects you to fresh, original insights. Both are essential, and both require action to become valuable. So here's your challenge. Decide on the one area of knowledge that can move you closest to your goal and commit to deepening that expertise over the next 30 days. In the next chapter, we'll explore the role of imagination, how to take specialized knowledge and turn it into new ideas that can build fortunes. If you're finding this series valuable, hit that subscribe button, tap the bell icon, and share your thoughts in the comments. What's one area of specialized knowledge you're working on right now?